is Caitlin with Post Echo. I'm here with Tim and Matt from Storms of Jupiter, here to talk about their new album. How'd you guys get started with music together?
We've been going to each other's shows for a few years now, just various noise projects. Our stuff sounded more similar than it ever had before, and we just had the idea to start playing together, and it evolved into this.
Yeah, we just felt like together we could do a lot more and explore a lot more musically, and than we could separate or alone.
Solo work is mainly textures and soundscapes, a lot of ambient noises, just layers and layers. Matt does these epic soundtrack,
Yeah, I'm really influenced by, like sci-fi, movie themes and things like that, video game music, things like that. It's just a real epic feel to it.
And when we combine them, it just it turns out really good, I think. Yeah. So we went with it.
So your new album, which is coming out April 10th, is called Dying Screams of an Imploding Star, which is an awesomely intense name. Any story behind that?
The first time we practiced, that was just like one of the first descriptions of what we wanted to sound like that Matt came up with. And I was just like, well, let's just make that the recording name.
Yeah, we were just kind of throwing around ideas for, what do we want this music to sound like? What do we want to feel? What do we want people to feel? And we just really decided that we wanted people to feel the dying screams of an imploding star.
Well, you guys clearly have a very creative recording process here. You have a lot of layers, really, in your sound. How do you guys get there?
Several analog synthesizers and modular synths that I just work soundscapes. We follow a basic pattern and just kind of go with it.
We kind of build a skeleton and then just kind of create on the fly there some kind of new organism every time.
You were doing something here with a flashlight sound.
Yeah, both of these synthesizers have phototheremins on them, which means they react to how much light there is. So you get, this one right here, and
The band is Storms of Jupiter. They've got their new album, Dying Screams of an Imploding Star, available April 10th on postecho.com.